Now, in this section, we will learn about Java expressions, Java statements, differences between expressions and statements, as well as Java blocks. So now that we understand the variables and operators and how they work, it's easier to learn about expressions, statements, and blocks. You may ask, why is that? Well, we might actually combine variables and operators to form expressions. That's right. Expressions are the core components of statements, and statements may be grouped into blocks. That's why it's important to stay organized, right? Expressions consist of variables as well as operators and method calls, and those evaluate to a single value. So you'll see some examples of expressions illustrated in red. So here, max speed equals 280 is an expression that returns int and data type. Int is not part of an expression. So typically, except data type and semicolon forms an expression. Result equals 5 plus 8 is an expression, and the result is now 13. In the brackets, x plus y multiplied by 2.5 is an expression. Also, it is named a compound expression. Now, when writing compound expressions, please be careful to indicate with parentheses which operators should be evaluated first. Number 1 equals to number 2. Now, that's an expression that returns a Boolean. Similarly, equal is a string expression. All right, so let's look at statements. A statement forms a complete unit of execution. Note here, please, that it's necessary to add a semicolon at the end of a statement. Now, expressions are part of statements. So you see examples of statements in the slide. All the examples are statements, so they're illustrated in red. Okay, so finally, let's have a look at the blocks. So a block is a group of 0 or more statements that is enclosed in curly braces. And you see an example of the block in the slide. Now, there is one statement inside the block. A block may contain a whole lot of statements.